Getting set up with the business credit reporting agencies. There are three main business credit reporting agencies in the United States: Dun & Bradstreet, Experian, and Equifax Commercial. These are the reporting agencies your EIN credit is reported to. Start with initial business credit. Get set up with initial trade vendors that report to D&B, Experian, and Equifax to establish initial business credit. If you have good personal credit or a guarantor who does, you can also build initial business credit with our unsecured business financing program. There are approvals for up to $150,000 and 0% rates for 6 to 18 months. This is unsecured, no documentation financing. Get approved even as a startup. Get pre-approved by going to www.creditsuite.com/get-funding. Finally, let's go over getting set up with Equifax. Most credit issuers and trade vendors report to D&B and Experian, not Equifax. Because of this, when you find trades that report to Equifax, apply, get approved, use your credit, and pay your bills timely to build your reports and scores. Many lenders pull Equifax commercial reports for their lending decisions. Your Equifax profile and score can also be included in your FICO SBSS score. That score is used by SBA lenders for SBA loans. It's so important to build credit with Equifax when you can, because it's vital to getting the loans you need to grow your business. If your search shows that Equifax has a record of your business, pull your Equifax reports and scores. See if you have trades reporting. It is possible for Equifax to have an established report and score for you even if you have no trade lines reporting. This is especially true if you have some type of public record reported. In this case, access your Equifax company report and score even with 0 trades reporting. Let's recap. Setting up a new business means opening business CRA files. Few trades report to Equifax, so when you find one, make sure to apply. Check a business's setup status at www.creditsuite.com/reports. Contact us today to learn more about getting set up with business credit reporting agencies.